This Ganesh Chaturthi is not complete if we don't talk about Sri Ganesha and his element. What is the element of Sri Ganesha? His element is earth. Sri Ganesha is known for his purity, innocence, and wisdom. Not only this, he provides stability in your thoughts and stability in your life. Let's talk about the anime characters who have the power of earth element and who can manipulate and bend earth to defend themselves and the people around them. If we are talking about elements and we don't mention Avatar The Last Airbender, then this series is not complete. In Avatar The Last Airbender, there was a king of Omashu. He was master of earth bending and he had immense strength. Guess what was the name of that king? His name was Bhumi. He looked very old, but then no one was able to match his earth bending. If we are talking about bending earth and we don't talk about Toph Before, she was a blind girl and she was also one of the most powerful earth bender. Why? Because she was not only able to bend earth but she was also able to bend metal. The third character was of Kyoshi. Kyoshi was also one of the very powerful earth benders. She also had immense power and no one was able to match her strength. Not only Avatar, but Naruto also had some ninjas who used earth element. And if we are talking about Naruto, how can we not mention Gaara? Gaara had the ability to do sand manipulation and he was able to make any form from that sand. Yamato was also one of the users who had the combined ability of earth and water element. If you remember Jirobo from the Sound Fort Tree, he was also one of the very powerful users. If we talk about Full Metal Alchemist, Edward Elric was also one of the alchemists who was able to manipulate earth and stone. If you have watched Fairy Tail, then you are definitely aware with Gildart's ability. Gildarts can manipulate the ground effectively and is known as a crush magic user. There are some earth element users in One Piece as well. If you know Paika and Fujitora, they were also earth element users. One was able to merge himself and control the stone, and another person's power were gravity based and can manipulate the ground in the battle. It's fascinating to see how these users can have such great strength despite of their age and gender. Ganesha is also born from earth element and he has a gravitational force that helps us to get stability in our life. People who have strong Ganesh Tattva within them often attract other people around them. They have an innocence in their behavior and in their heart. So ask yourself, do you want to be like Sri Ganesha? We cannot promise you that you will be able to bend earth, but you will definitely be able to bend the behavior of other people if you show love and compassion towards them. On this Ganesh Chaturthi, try Sahaj Yoga meditation and awaken the Ganesh Tattva within you.